Here, this is my tempered glass build, all running. Gotta connect my Wi-Fi later. Just put it on my bed for now, just to get a better view and angle of it. Gotta connect all my connections back. But yeah, this is my total build. Running both of my GPUs, Crossfire AMD R9 390s. Corsair Looking Cooler H100 V1. Case is like really stealthy, all black, so it's a good build. I gotta put my other case fan back on, I see. But everything's running, pretty much. Gotta put my front case fan back on. But just show you what a good brief view of what it looks like. So we're good to go. Alright folks, so this is my video. Nice case.